So today we're going to be doing marinated grilled London broil outside on the world's smallest patio using one of our favorite cookers, the pit barrel cooker. Now, London broil is not actually a cut of beef. What we're going to be doing today is actually a top round steak prepared London broil. It's going to be marinated. We're going to do some cross hatches in it, and then we're going to grill it hot and fast on the pit barrel cooker. I'm going to show you a super simple marinade, and the reason why we're doing London broil was because it was on sale at the supermarket for a rockin' deal, which meat prices are crazy. This was a really, really rockin' deal. All right, are you guys ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? All right, and here we go. Okay, beautiful in-grain cutting board. Links below for everything. Let me show you. Obviously, we're going to Ziploc bag it. Check this London broil out, or this top round, like I said. $8. Can you believe that? That is like a shocking value. That's why we had to grab it. All right, let's build the marinade. Couple cloves of squoze garlic, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon ketchup, 1 teaspoon salt, a half a teaspoon dried oregano, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now, all of that mixed in a bowl with a whisk, in the bag with the London broil. There's our marinade. I just squoze a couple cloves here. So we'll get that in the bowl. Next, we'll go in with our soy sauce, one of the wet ingredients here. Let's do the ketchup next, the tablespoon of ketchup. Get that in there. Beautiful. Salt, easy enough. Vegetable oil, easy enough. Get that in there. Beautiful. I love the marinades with the garlic and the soy sauce and stuff like that because they always smell so good. We have a tri-tip video out, basically the same thing. Black pepper in, and the oregano in. Okay, proper, use a whisk. This is gonna be just, it smells amazing. And like I said, minimum of 5 hours in the refrigerator. If you can go overnight, cool, but you just really want this marinade to penetrate the meat. Beautiful 2.5 pound beef top round steak. Uncle Steve's very sharp knife with a finger hole. And I'm just gonna score it. One, I wanna score it because I'm gonna do crosshatch. I wanna score it because when I'm gonna grill it hot and fast on the pit barrel, I want it not to fold up. 2, I want that marinade to penetrate into it. So this is a little pro tip that I found. We'll just do that. I'm only going to do it on one side, and there you go. So that'll be like that. This side, you can see minimal fat, no trimming required. Really nice for $8. All right, let's get this in the bag. Oh, I'm so excited. It's gonna taste so good. It's like noon right now. So I plan on cooking this at 5 or 6 o'clock tonight. So that's like the minimal time. I ran a little late today, but marinade in the bag, beautiful, smelling good, looking good. In the fridge you go. We'll see you back this evening. We are very fortunate to work with some amazing companies. Probably our favorite company of all time is the Pit Barrel Cooker. We love them. They're fantastic. S&S Grills, fantastic. Pit Boss, fantastic. Of course, Jealous Devil Charcoal, the greatest charcoal on earth, which is what we're going to be using in today's cook, inside the pit barrel. But my goodness, I mean, between the griddle, the offset, the pit barrel, multiple pellet grills, multiple kettles, the world's smallest patio is, and the Ring doorbell, and the herbs, a little dead cilantro and jalapeno and basil and tomato plant. We are blessed, but we need some more square footage. My goodness. Jealous Devil Max briquettes, the best briquette, the best charcoal that you could buy. Half chimney full, fire basket for that. Jealous Devil, it's all going in the pit barrel. Like I said, this is not a low and slow. This is gonna be a hot and fast. So getting this set up. Fire cup lighting strong. Let's grab the Jealous Devil. Boom. We're gonna get this pit barrel lit up. Beautiful. All right, it's been like 5 or 6 hours. We're going outside on the pit barrel cooker. We're gonna do London broil, but first I have to thank all of our channel members, everybody that took the time to hit the join button right next to the subscribe button. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So much appreciated. Thank you from the bottom of our heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so we got the meat. It's still in the bag. It's been like 5 or 6 hours. We got the Thermopin 1. Links below for all this stuff. World's greatest meat thermometer. Literally freaking fantastic. We're going to pull this. We're going to flip on the pit barrel cooker. Like I said, we're running hot and fast on it. We got some corn on it. We're going to go to 125, 130. Let it rest on the cutting board, and then we're going to slice it really, really thin, and I think it's going to be delicious. So get yourself a good meat thermometer. We got the meat, we got the thermometer outside. Let's go. Yes, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. That is going to be epic. Oh, the smells are just so good. Okay, it's been like 7 minutes. Here it goes. It's going to dump over. There it goes. All right, let's do another 7 minutes on the other side. Nice and hot and fast. 14 minutes in, I flipped it back over, and we're at 103, 105. Woo-hoo-hoo, that's hot. 102. All right, we still got a little bit of time to go. An $8 London broil. Don't mind my camera skills, but my goodness. It just looks absolutely amazing. Wow. Slice it thin. So good. Can't wait for the taste test. I'm salivating. It is so good. Wow. Well, marinated. Like literally 5.5 hours. It would have been better if it was like 24 hours. I mean, it's just stupid. Like, look at the corn on the cob. With the Uncle Steve's shake on it. That is not appropriate. That is so good. This literally is like under 15 bucks. On the most amazing cooker, the Pit Barrel cooker. Wow. All right, you guys. Another video in the books. That is a good one. I love garlic and soy. That's the way to my heart. All right. We will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so, so much for watching. We'll see you. Bye. It's good stuff. It's good stuff. We're going to have leftovers 4 days. It's so good. Yes.